PIV Personal Identity Verification. This is a specific credentialing standard heavily used by United States federal employees and contractors to gain secure access to government facilities and information systems. Similar to a common access card, it is a physical smart card containing an embedded microchip that you will configure alongside specialized card readers to enforce extremely strict multi-factor authentication. PoE Power over Ethernet. This is a highly useful networking technology that safely passes electrical power, along with data, over standard twisted pair Ethernet cabling. You will rely heavily on this standard to install wireless access points on high ceilings or security cameras on exterior walls without needing to hire an electrician to run a dedicated power outlet to every single device. POP Post Office Protocol. This is an older, legacy email protocol used by local email clients to retrieve messages from a remote mail server over an internet connection. You need to know that this protocol typically downloads the email and then completely deletes it from the central server, making it very difficult for a user to check their email across multiple different devices. POSD Power on Self-Test. This is the absolute first diagnostic testing sequence that a computer's basic input-output system runs the exact moment you turn on the power button. If the motherboard detects a catastrophic hardware failure, such as missing random access memory, it will completely halt the boot process and emit a specific pattern of loud beeps to help you diagnose the exact problem. PSU Power Supply Unit. This is the heavy internal hardware component that takes high-voltage alternating current from your wall outlet and converts it into the low-voltage direct current required by the fragile internal computer components. When building a computer, you must calculate the total wattage of all your hardware to ensure you buy a unit capable of delivering enough stable electricity. PUP Potentially Unwanted Program. This is a software application that a user may perceive as entirely unwanted or highly unnecessary, often bundled secretly alongside legitimate software downloads. While not explicitly a destructive computer virus, as a technician, you will frequently remove these annoying browser toolbars and fake system cleaners because they severely degrade the computer's overall performance. PXE Preboot Execution Environment. This is an industry-standard client-server environment that boots a software assembly, retrieved over a network, on clients without any local data storage. Instead of carrying a USB drive around an office, you will use this technology to turn on completely blank computers and push a fresh Windows installation to them directly through the network cable. QoS Quality of Service. This is a set of advanced network technologies that allow you to prioritize certain types of network traffic over others during times of heavy congestion. You will configure this strictly on a corporate router to guarantee that highly sensitive voice-over Internet Protocol phone calls always get priority bandwidth, preventing audio stuttering even if someone else is downloading a massive file. RADIUS Remote Authentication Dial-In User Server. This is a centralized networking protocol that provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting management for users who connect and use a network service. Instead of creating a separate password on every single wireless access point, you point them all to this central server, allowing employees to log into the corporate Wi-Fi using their standard Windows credentials. RAID Redundant Array of Independent Disks. This is a data storage virtualization technology that combines multiple physical disk drive components into one or more logical units for data redundancy or performance improvement. For the exam, you must memorize the different numbered levels, knowing that a level 1 configuration perfectly mirrors data across 2 separate drives so that if one physical drive dies, no business data is lost.